Oh, yo guys, back with another video after a while. Hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. I'm using a different desktop, so it's gonna be a little bit different, probably better quality as well. But today is just a little overall market recap. No trades for me today because I didn't execute, and I honestly missed out on an easy trade today. But I'm gonna explain that trade for you guys and us. Sorry, my fault. Sorry, I wasn't uploading that much. It's because school, and then after school exams, stuff like that, and graduation. Your boy graduated, and then my computer just stopped working, and then I just couldn't upload it. So I did still post Instagram videos, but let's get into this. So first of all, we go to the daily time frame, but we're gonna be locked in with the thing, and I see that this candle was originally bullish, but we did come down, so our candle was very bullish. Let me reset all this bullshit here. But our candle was originally bullish. We were sweeping. We just created a lower high over here, but we did sweep liquidity on the 4-hour time frame. We were coming up higher, and this candle bullish stick was much higher. It was a bullish stick as well. We just had continuous green candles, so I definitely want to see some sort of buys today. Excuse me. And then yeah, so right at 10 a.m. we were not before 10 a.m. 6 a.m. we were pushing higher. We did come and take these highs eventually, but let's see more on our time frame. Oh yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, I also did mark out this inverse for high gap, potentially drawing liquidity down there, right? And then we have this hourly bullish for value gap that we are going to revisit again in the future, where I'm going to talk about it in this video. So we just marked out a couple of high time frame fair value gaps, high time frame liquidity of structure, high buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, right? And then let's get into the smaller time frame. So right here, 15-minute, we just have this 1-hour gap that just split into two, right? We have a ton of so I think like market open, we were here. Yeah, we were here. So we had ton of sell side liquidity, but we also had a decent amount of buy side liquidity, right? We were kind of taking out these highs. So honestly, my bias was definitely bullish. I didn't want to see a reversal. I wanted to see a push higher. So then let's get into the entry model. So on the 5-minute, excuse me. So right here, you already know accumulation, right? We are accumulating. We kind of manipulate, tap into this order block. Kind of disrespect it, honestly. I mean, demand zone, sorry. And then we created a new order block / demand zone. We retest back into a 15-minute fair value gap or an hourly fair value gap into that equilibrium zone, which is a really great confluence. We also tap into this order block. I would have entered here, but hesitation stopped me. I should have, would have, could have, but I didn't, which is a mistake on my fault that I have to fix. I would have targeted these highs, waited for some sort of inverse fair value gap. Honestly, this was a pretty good trade. I just probably wanted to see more confluences, right? Excuse me. But honestly, after retesting into that hourly or 15-minute for value gap, it was barbecue chicken from there. So we did accumulation, manipulation, tap on this supply zone, tap into this order block. We had a tap into the equilibrium zone of a bullish fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame, and then we would put our stop loss at these lows and take profit at those highs. Honestly, this trade was consolidating a bit. We did come down. We entered. You could have went break even around here. The halfway point right here, you could have went break even. Excuse me. And then we just had this inverse for I actually didn't see this. Yeah, but we did it was kind of weird what we're doing in here. Kind of retested this inverse for value gap. Could have entered potentially here as well. That was probably the optimal entry right here. And then take profit at those highs. I've I was probably gonna make around, let's check up, before units in about a pretty big stop loss, $400, then pretty big win as well, 700, right? Yeah, 750. Excuse me, but that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little breakdown on the market today, how you could learn. We'll be trading live tomorrow for you guys. I'll make sure you guys tap in. I did catch a trade Monday. I probably will talk about that something, but I'm back. I'm better. I was also sick at that time. That's why I also didn't post videos on YouTube as much. But we're back. We're locked, and we're ready to keep being consistent with the videos. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this, and hope to see you guys like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.